I am going to be recreating this iconic Taylor Momsen makeup look as well as a kick-ass outfit. If you are interested in seeing how I achieved all of this, then keep on watching. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing a Taylor Momsen transformation video, which I am literally so excited about because she is my literal idol. But before we get into this video, please remember to smash that like button because it will really help me out. And also please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I make more content like this out twice a week on Thursdays and Sundays, all about fashion, beauty, lifestyle, all that good stuff. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to be updated on my uploads. So without further ado, let's get on with the video. So the look that I am going to be doing is this one up here, which is, I'm literally obsessed with her style so much. Her style is so gothy and grungy, and I'm just all about that life. Like, I just love her style so much, right up my street. And just like every look she wears, I'm like obsessed with. Like, honestly, like she is my literal crush. I wish I could marry her, quite honestly. That won't never happen, but anyway, I just love her, what can I say? And I love the Pretty Reckless. So I'm gonna first recreate her makeup. So I've just put my hair up just because I don't want to get makeup everywhere and in my hair and it just be an absolute disaster. So as you can see from the image, she has a very flawless skin, literally no imperfections at all. I'm not jealous. I'm going to start off by using the Palmer's Cocoa Butter formula, which is like this, and mine looks rather battered, but I absolutely love this moisturiser to death. I think it is so nice on the skin. Literally got a lot on my hand, probably shouldn't have done that. I actually have put so much on my face. I didn't mean to put this much on. I think I might actually have to take some of it off because at the moment I look ridiculous. This is a lot of moisturiser, so I'm just going to take it down my neck as well. My skin feels so dewy and soft, I love it. Honestly, there's no better feeling than putting moisturiser on my face. Love it. So, can you not beep while I'm trying to film a makeup tutorial, please? Thanks. Literally just stopped as well. So I'm next going to prime the skin using the Rimmel London Radiance Primer. Probably recognise quite a few products actually if you have watched any of my previous makeup tutorials, because I actually have my ride or die products. So since I am not going to do any foundation for this look because I don't want to look like an orange, I'm going to use a bit of the Wake Me Up concealer by Rimmel, which is an all-time favourite. I don't even know if you'll be able to see the packaging clearly because a lot of it is rubbed off. It's a bit light for me now because I've got a tan. So I'm going to try and pale my face a tiny bit using the Rimmel London Insta Fix and Matte Powder, which is in a white colour, so I'm praying this does the job. And then I'm just going to use my Real Techniques Powder Blue B01 brush, and I'm just going to properly go in. Okay, that literally does nothing. I made a massive error. I don't know if you can see that, but because I haven't washed my brushes in ages, because I'm absolutely disgusting human being, you can literally see the residue of the powder that I've just put onto my powder. Great. So this is gonna just make it all a bit flawless and just get rid of a bit of my glow because at the moment obviously quite dewy and I just want to tone that down a little bit. So I'm just gonna put that everywhere. So next up, literally the state of my makeup bag is insane. But I'm next going to go in with this Rimmel, I think? Yeah, Rimmel bronzing powder in the shade Sun Glow. Excuse this packaging, honestly, I damage my bronzers and my powders to absolute shit, to the point where literally it's not even holding on anymore, it's lost its last legs. I'm just going to use the Real Techniques BO2 brush, and as you can see from the picture, she's got a little bit of colour in her cheeks, but it's more bronzed and contoured, so I'm going to try and emulate that now. This is like uncomfortably close. I'm not used to this at all, but yeah, so I'm just going to suck my cheeks in, look like a fish. I'm just going to work it up here a bit as well, just to carry on the contour. The sound, oh, it's ridiculous. That is quite a lot of contour. I don't know if I meant to go that crazy, but that is a shitload of contour. I think I might just blend it out a little actually. So I'm just going to use my Real Techniques BO1 powder brush just to brush this out a little bit and make it a little less defined. So I'm just going to go ahead and start filling in the brows, because she has quite defined brows and quite bold brows, so I want to try and emasculate that. So to do that, I'm just going to use the Brow by Benefit, which is my literal ride or die eyebrow product. Honestly, I absolutely love, love, love this. It's just everything. And I'm just going to carve in these brows a little bit. I might actually come a bit closer. Literally just flick like a ton of eyebrow product on myself. I'm back. I am close and personal yet again. So I'm just going to carve out my brows. Doesn't have to be like perfect, because she has quite like a messy sort of look anyway. I don't know if you literally just saw that, that literally just like went right near my eye. Another bit just flew on the floor. I'm just going to set the brows using the Rimmel Brow This Way, which is everything. It's just like a little gel. I low-key love it. I just think it's everything. How many times am I going to say everything in this video? Probably 100 times. I think I'm going to chuck on a bit of eyeshadow primer. This is my beloved Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. I'm just going to put some right over my eyes. You don't need a lot for this. It's literally just a little smidgen. So it just helps set the powder a lot and make it look a little bit more intense. I think now it is time to go in with the big guns. I'm going to do her classic black eyeshadow. I'm going to go in using the Morphe Picasso palette, which is unfortunately discontinued, but it was such, honestly, it's an amazing palette, like those shades. But I'm just going to take the black one here. Obviously, I'm going to start by using the Real Techniques Powder Blue BO4 brush, which is a soft, fluffy shadow brush, which is perfect for this look, because I'm going to get really, really messy. So it's sort of like a cat eye. So I'm just going to basically just start to do the eyeshadow normally and then just carve out the shape afterwards. I think that is a lot easier to work with. So I'm just going to make quite a bold line underneath my eye and work from there. I'm just going to use the Real Techniques shading brush, which will hopefully create a really cool grungy smoky effect. Then I'm just going to take an angle brush and I'm just going to create sort of like a winged cat eye sort of shape leading outwards towards the edge of the eye, just to create a bit of structure. just going to tidy up my eyeshadow in this corner as well because it looks horrendous. I literally just realised how much fallout I have. I'm just going to use a bit of my salad water just to actually get rid of a little bit of this fallout because it's not looking cute. So I just sort of perfected the shape a little bit off camera. So I'm just going to now blend it out a little bit because her look is quite smoky. So I'm just going to use the same shading brush, the Real Techniques one, and I'm just going to go along the lines and just start smudging it a little bit at the top and maybe slightly underneath as well. I was going to do eyeliner, but I think it's actually quite structured enough. I don't think I need really like any definition or anything because it is quite a messy look. So I'm just going to go on and finish the look with the Rimmel London Volume Flash Mascara, which I actually haven't tried before. So this is actually like a first impressions at the same time. I'm not going to go shy with the mascara. I'm literally going to douse it because I think she would as well. And then the last part of this look, I'm just going to use my Gouache lipstick in the shade Cappuccino, which is a lovely nude because Taylor is known for either sporting a massive bold red lip or a classic nude shade. So I'm going to go in with the nudist nude I could find and I'm just going to douse my lips with that. I look so different, like it's insane, but I kind of love it though, like low key. I think this is kind of a look, you know. So I'm obviously just going to finish off this makeup look with the Urban Decay All Nighter Spray, and I'm just going to go hard or go home with this. It's so satisfying. I absolutely love using this. Ah, so satisfying. So that is it for the makeup look. I'm just going to take my hair down just so you can see what I look like with my hair down, because obviously that's what the picture looks like. Apart from maybe the platinum blonde, that's the only thing I'm missing, but I've got the blonde part. So I am now going to show you the outfit. Pretty much recreated this to an absolute T. For the outfit, obviously she has got a black and white striped blazer with, can you not? She's got a black and white striped blazer with some lovely leather shorts, some striped tights and some gold jewellery. I couldn't find anything quite to replicate that, so I've sort of done my own spin on things, and I'm going to pair it with some docs as well, because even though you can't see any shoes in this picture, this is what I envisioned that she'd actually look like. Either that or some heels, but I don't really own any black heels, especially the sort of height that she wears. Let's jump on to me wearing the outfit and completing this transformation because I can't wait any longer. So this is my finished look. I've just paired a striped blazer from Primark with some fake leather shorts from H&M, some ripped tights, some docs, and this really cool choker. Yeah, I really love this look. It's just so grungy and so me. So that is the end of this transformation video. I'm so pleased with the result. I think I look absolutely banging, like I'm not gonna lie. I wouldn't usually go this heavy, like if I'm having a grunge day I wouldn't go this crazy, but I actually like really dig this. I think this looks super cool. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to smash that like button because it will really help me out, and maybe comment down below if you're a big fan of Taylor Momsen and if you have heard of the Pretty Reckless, because if you have, we need to have a chat in the comments. Also, if you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I make more content like this every single week on Thursdays and now Sundays on fashion, beauty, lifestyle, all that good stuff. So make sure to subscribe if you want to see more from me. And as well, don't forget to hit the bell button to be updated on when I next upload. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this transformation, and I will see you in a few days for a new video. Bye!